UPS is the EB832, and then that goes over to one of the EB832s, which this one is my my primary critical components that I need to have turned on when if the power outage goes out, and the other one is non-critical. And then I have I used a one link module here to the two step down, 24 to 12 volt step downs, which powers some of the fans. Now one of them is a fan for the sump. I was under the amps and everything. I had plenty of reserve, so one of the step downs actually controls two of the fans that you saw inside, and the other one goes all the way up. I'm gonna have a hood on top because I don't like the glare that comes off of the lights. A lot of people have open tops. I personally don't like that, but to each their own. I don't like blue everywhere inside my house where you can't just be comfortable. I like how it looks in like restaurants and whatnot. And you can see I have two flow sensors, one here and then one right there. I did my best to hide all my wiring. It's a real pain. This little mess right here, these are all the sensors, so I kept these loose. They're not permanent, so I know when I gotta change them, they'll be simple because from dragging them behind. And then I got all my my tubing right here going everywhere. So yeah, that's it. And then got my overflow, and then I got the two hoses. These are my bypasses for me able to do water testing and setting up the machine, the computer for to get all set up. That way I don't have to worry about anything, and it keeps the tank quiet, and I don't have to drain water or do anything if anything ever happens wrong. Another thing, since I'm on a raised foundation, right here on the floor, I actually ran a PVC line under the house over to my water station, and that now I get automatic water change and RO water to my auto top off, which is right behind here. This will be the ATO. So for now, and I also ran a Aquabus cable to over there because I also kind of in a way computerized the RO system. So I have my RO water, and I'll have my dirty waste salt water, and I'll have my salt water supply. And let's see, I'll walk you over to the RO station in my house. Oh, about 20 minutes. And this is the RO station. So you see there's the FMM module right there, and then I have all my filtrations, and then I have the 3. I did upgrade to the 3. I have the booster pump. So I ended up just getting the 4 TDS meters. Probably didn't really need that many, but I do. But I think the important thing is the filter monitor. This guy right here will tell me all my gallons that I've used, so I know when to change out the pre-filters and the sediment filter on the carbon blocks. So then eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a line up there, over the top, outside, and then to my salt water station, which I will eventually do. So let's see. Yep, and that's basically it. I'll show you guys a little eye candy, I guess. I'll show you my NEM tank that I did, and then I'll just end it with that. Over here in my office, oh, he's kind of hidden down inside there behind the clowns. It's a Black Widow NEM, and forget what the name of that one is. It's a green some kind of bubble tip. I forget that one. Then a standard green bubble tip. Over here, they split. Got my second green bubble tip. And right there is my Gonzo Colorado Sunburst. 100% legit one. I was very lucky to get one of those. He's a little baby. Can't wait until he grows nice and big and shows more of his colors underneath his orange. So, other than that, that's basically it. That's, there we go. That's it. That's my tank. And comments, concerns, questions, leave a message down below. I'll try to answer. I'm not a YouTuber, but I do try to stay pretty active, helping people out. If you have any plumbing questions or whatnot, you know, that's what I do day in and day out, and I'd like to help any one of you guys. Just give me a question. All right, bye.